Well, the National Lottery grants that I've received, via the Arts Council have been, fundamental in my development as an artist, really, because it's allowed me to grow, to try, to experiment, and also then to gain confidence and then build to making these large-scale kind of spectacles, which I now do, but I couldn't have done that without that help, without that development process. Right from the beginning, I think 2003, I received money for a project called the House Project, which is a collaboration with a Canadian writer, and we brought him over and he transcribed the contents of his novel on the walls, floors and doors of a small house, and we invited artists then from Canada and Wales to kind of reinterpret that text. So that was key, really, and opened up my kind of the possibilities of that. So then, so then over the years got money to develop a project called In Residencia, Shed Light, and then money to go abroad and travel. But then one of the main projects, the biggest projects I've ever undertaken, was Adain Avion, which is part of the Cultural Olympiad. So where we transformed the fuselage of a DC-9 aeroplane and took it around Wales, where it nested in different sites, and then act as a catalyst, and people would then perform, do talks in it. So there were loads of different kind of things happening. Never have done that without, the lottery funding, and it was, a very big part of their kind of like output for the Cultural Olympiad. For me as an artist, it was hugely ambitious, and I could not have done that. So it was amazing then, and really important then to move on and to gain confidence, as I said, to do these much larger projects and to respond to sight in kind of in a very interesting kind of and hopefully kind of new way.